back for another update. Let's take a look at the crypto total market cap excluding the top 10. So basically what this is showing is it's showing the market cap of all the cryptos that aren't in the top 10 on CoinMarketCap. So what we have over here is very similar structure to that of Total 3 and Total DeFi. We have a 3-wave move down from 2021 for our A wave, 3-wave move up for our B wave, and then a 5-wave move to the downside for our C wave for our wave 4. Now we're currently within our 5th wave to the upside over here. We finished from December 22 to February 23, we had our A wave. Then from February 23 to June 23, we had our B wave, and we're still within our C wave to the upside. We had a 5-wave move to the upside, and then we topped out with Bitcoin in March 24, formed a WXY correction with your Y wave coming down to the 70.2% fib. Wouldn't surprise me if we see a little bit of a wick down here to this 786 or this 38.2% fib, and then go up from there. Okay, because I do see a little bit of a downside wick that needs to get filled over here at the 786, but when we generally what this is it is a bottom, okay, because we have come down to the 38.2 and we have a nice WXY correction right off of it. So when we take a look here at the RSI, we do see that there is hidden bullish divergence. So what we have over here is from our subwave 4 up to the bottom of our correction, we have a higher low, and then from on the RSI we have lower lows forming. So we have your first touch, okay, so this is your first, second, and then your third touch right over here. And then so what you may see is the price go like this to the 786 and then go up from there. But generally this is a bottom, right? If it did come down here, it would just look like a wick, and then it would have a nice pop up from there. Okay, this also looks like a descending broadening wedge, which is bullish. Okay, and then we're going to come up for our third wave, likely to around the 78.6% fib at 683 billion, come down 23 to 38.2% of the way, and then finally come up for our wave 5 at around 1 to 1.2 trillion dollars for the 5th wave of our leading diagonal. So now when we zoom out here a little, what we see is a rising wedge, okay, and we have 3 touch points. You have your first touch point, your second touch point, and your third touch point will likely mark the top before we have a break of structure to the downside for our wave 2 of our macro leading diagonal pattern. Okay, another scenario that could be unfolding is that this over here, the bottom end of this wedge holds. We come down like this. We come down like this. Have a mid, like within our bear market, we'd have like a mid pop up midway like this, and then we come down hard like that. Okay, so this could also be very possible. It's just something to be aware of. But what you would want to be doing, what you would want to be looking for is a top to come in here at Q4 2024 and possibly leading into March 2025 before we have a nasty crash with the US stock market for our wave 2. Okay, so this is your wave 2, and then this over here would be your wave 1. Right? And then after the recession, the market would continue to expand for our wave 3, likely over $10 trillion. Okay, around likely over $5 to $10 trillion for our wave 3. Because remember, this is a huge wave 1. Then we have to come down for a wave 2. It can't stay within this rising wedge forever. It's going to have to break down eventually. So I will be updating this wave count. The markets change, and so does the analysis. But I don't have the time to update on YouTube. So if you haven't joined the Discord, please click the link in the description below. You guys get access to over 350 assets over here, and you guys get access to a community. You guys can ask me any question you want, and you guys can stay updated with all your favorite coins here. And yeah, so definitely click that link if you haven't done so. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.